Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the we could not verify your identity error on Cash App in 2025. Let's dive in. First, open your Cash App. One of the most common reasons for the issue is incorrect or inconsistent information. So double check your personal details, name, date of birth, SSN, and make sure there are no typos or mismatches. If all your info is correct and you're still facing the issues, let's try the next method. Go to your phone settings, tap on apps or app management and locate Cash App. Next, tap on storage and cache and hit clear cache. You can also try cleaning storage, but remember you'll have to log back in after that. Then reopen Cash App, try submitting your info and see if it works. Still not working, no worries. Here another fix. Inside Cash App, tap on your profile icon, scroll down and select support. Just call again and tap chat to connect with the Cash App customer service. If you don't get a quick response through chat, here's an alternative that may be faster. Open your browser and search Cash App support. Go to the official Cash App support and you'll find the only official customer service phone number. Call that number and remember Cash App will never ask your PIN, password or full debit card number or your full SSN. Explain the issue and then they should be able to help you resolve it directly. And that is it. With these steps, you should be able to fix the identity verification problem on Cash App. If this helped, please like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. As always, I have promised.